Have you ever seen something so strange that it feels impossible? Today Bluey did. A giant island floating in the sky. Bluey and Bingo were playing. When the ground shook, they looked up, jaws dropping, waterfalls pouring from clouds. Bluey, how do we get there? Bingo shouted. And you? What would you do if you saw it? A golden ladder dropped down, shimmering. Bluey grabbed it. Step by step. Higher. The wind whooshed. The world looked tiny below. Would you climb too? Or freeze in fear? At the top, glowing flowers. Crystal trees. In the center, a stone covered in strange runes. Bluey touched it. Boom! A portal opened. Bingo gasped. Where does it lead? Colors swirled. Whoosh! They leapt inside. Endless rainbows. Sparkling skies. But then, thunder. The island cracked. The portal closing. Bluey shouted. Run! Hurry! They jumped out just in time. The island drifted away into clouds. Gone forever. Bluey whispered. Was it real? Or just a dream? Bingo smiled. Real. I'll never forget. But wait. That wasn't the end. Because when they looked at their paws, something was glowing. A crystal shard. Still shining. Bingo gasped. Bluey, did we bring a piece of the island back? They ran home, hiding the crystal under their bed. It pulsed softly, like a heartbeat. Bluey whispered. Maybe it's a key. Maybe the island will return. And you? What do you think? That night, the crystal flashed again. For just a moment, they heard the sound of waterfalls, laughter, and wings. Bluey and Bingo smiled wide. Because maybe the floating island wasn't gone forever. And maybe today, you can imagine climbing that ladder too. Would you dare? Or watch it vanish? If you love adventures like this, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.